2 in 3 Americans think drones will be delivering their takeout by 2027. Wow. I figured it would be sooner, honestly. That in a report at Study Finds. The survey of 2,000 adults also finds that 62% believe the majority of cars on the road will be electric by 2030. In fact, 76% feel technology has come further than they ever expected during their lifetime. But where are the hoverboards and the flying cars anyway? I'm just wondering that. I mean, I was counting on that when I watched sci-fi shows when I was a kid. There was one show, it was called Space 1999. Boy, were they way off. See, I had that toy. I just couldn't. Hey, great special effects, too. I'm not alone. 65% thought the same, but 70% now admit technology like flying taxis or jetpacks are just too unrealistic to become viable options. Hey, buzzkills. Who thought we would have pizza with cheese in the crust when I was a kid? Nobody. And Hotpockets? Come on. 2/3 expect transportation will soon look different than it does now, though, citing possible advancements like space tours, hyperloop travel, autonomous airplanes, and a transatlantic tunnel. Wait, a transatlantic tunnel? I went to Hoover Dam once and took the dam tour. There was dam water come through the dam cracks, and the dam guide said that was typical dam behavior. I don't think I'll be going in a tube under the Atlantic Ocean anytime soon. I'd rather have the Wright brothers fly me over. Where was I? Oh, okay. The survey also shows that 56% would be interested in taking leisure trips to space if given the opportunity. In all of space travel, I don't think the sample size is large enough for me to consider my odds for that. Last year, the New York Times said that 600 humans had been to space. Nice milestone, but that's like 2 large airplanes. I think they need to kind of do that a little more before I think I'm going to jump on one of those. Plus, I don't have the extra $2 billion or whatever it is to pay for the flight. Getting back to the drones, I like the idea, but if it's 15 degrees outside, how warm is my pizza going to be when the drone stops and drops it off and accidentally kills my dog like a flying blender? We need to figure out how these anti-gravity UFOs work. Oh, wait. What do they call them? UAPs now? That's right. I mean, there was like a whole congressional hearing on them and everything. How the hell do they fly? And get my food faster that way, but it would probably have some crazy space germs or radioactivity or something. Well, anyway, I digress. Bottom line, if aliens can solve my food delivery, I, for one, will welcome them with open arms. I like the idea of the hover car, too, so kind of put that on your list. You can check out more info on this and other studies by clicking the link in the description below and head over to studyfinds.com.